हेलो गाइस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। और उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। इफ़ यू आर न्यू ऑन यूट्यूब चैनल एंड वाचिंग माय वीडियो फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, so subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can watch my video on the list of the top. So this is my topic is and I want to tell you about the more important things in life which is very important, and this video is very unique. So please keep with us and I will tell you about the main topic. So don't waste our time. Let's start the topic. Our topic is I will tell you most no tips for cleaning every electronic device the right way. Spring clean your often used devices without damaging them. We have tips for your phone, tablets, laptop, headphones, smartwatch, fitness tracker, game controller, and more. Let's start our topic. There are you better off now than you were 4 years ago. Political ads will ask your as this year we were ready to dunk everything we owned into a vat of bleach. So yes, but just because we are past the era of wiping down all our crosses and making our hands desert dry with sanitizer doesn't mean that our electronic devices shouldn't keep kept clean. Okay guys, even though we are no less fanatical about this disinfecting them, our devices still harbor plenty of germs and there's no stopping grime, so they should be cleaned regularly. Grab some microfiber cloths, cotton swabs, distilled water, isopropyl alcohol, and dish soap, and read or guide to make your gadgets clean after you unplug or turn them off. Of course, how to clean phones and tablets. I will tell you, phones and tablets have oleophobic, fingerprint resistant coating that can wear off. So manufacturers generally recommend wiping them down with distilled water and a barely textured microfiber cloth, then using cotton swabs to clean around creases such as the edges of the screen and the bottom. Phones and tablets are oleophobic, fingerprint resistant coating that can wear off, so manufacturers generally recommend wiping them down with distilled water. The global pandemic was no time to heed manufacturer warnings through, and as people started taking harsher substance so surfaces in 2020, Apple revised its how to clean your Apple products guideline. It now endorses using 70% isopropyl alcohol wipes, 75% ethyl alcohol wipes, or Clorox disinfecting wipes. Okay guys, according to Cupertino, you may gently wipe numerous surfaces of your Apple product such as the display, keyboard, or other exterior surface. Don't use products containing bleach or hydrogen peroxide. Avoid getting moisture in any opening and doesn't submerge your Apple product in any cleaning agent. Don't use on fabric, leather surfaces. To disinfect thoroughly without wipes, you will need 99% isopropyl alcohol, distilled water, a spray bottle, and a disposable microfiber cloth. Mix a solution that is 70% alcohol and 30% of water and pour it into the spray bottle. Then remove the case from your phone or tablet, spritz the cloth with your solution and thoroughly wipe down your phone. Do not reuse the cloth. If you are concerned about damaging your screen, put a tempered glass screen protector on it. Though the protector is likely treated with a coating as well, it's easily replaceable and won't cause damage to the device. Before you put the case back on your device, go over the case with the solution and cloth, let it dry completely, then be sure to wash your hands to all your cleaning will have been for nothing. If you are concerned about grime, there are many tools and videos you can see how to clean headphones and earphones, and your headphones and earphones are some of things you keep closet to you. Throw coated in sweat and wax grows, but wax they are likely with your whatever you go. The general recommendation for over the ear headphones, go over them and with the microfiber cloth dampened with a little water, then following up with a dry one. If the cushions and headbands look feel grimy, you can give them a wash. Remove the ear cushions first to clean them separately. So this is it, and this is was my topic and ended. And if you are new on YouTube channel and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can watch my video on the first. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट एक इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो के साथ। बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा, टेक केयर गाइस।